We're about to leave the airport. We're in the parking lot by the airport right now. Yes, me I say that's the departure exit right there. And JC Villa
For sure.
check-in if you're in Montego Bay, or Mobay.
Yeah.
Mobay or Montego Bay. Sangsters International Airport.
That's right.
He is the man. He'll pick you up at the airport and he'll take you to his fancy villa right down the street, not too far away. JC's Villa, 2 minutes away. Not 2 minutes, but close by, you know, and he'll give you all the Jamaican experience that you're looking for, you know? So he's the man. He's the man. Yeah, man, but look at this. Personal loader, the loaded luggage.
Yes, that's what
into the
JC Villa.
Yeah, he worked with JC Villa, you know?
Yeah.
So, hey, I can't ask for much more, you know? And he was already here waiting for us, guys. So,
6:30.
you know, we arrive at 9 o'clock in the morning, and he pulled up at 9:15. Hey,
I already have beer waiting for you guys.
with the red stripe and the dragon and all that good stuff, you know? Yeah, man, but we're in Jamaica right now, man, and we don't give a shit. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna have a good time.
That's right.
Eat some good food. Check the family and all that good stuff. Pull up at JC Villa, and I'll show you his Airbnb, one of his Airbnbs in a minute. And y'all could book. I'll leave all the description, the link to the description in the description. Yeah, man. You're now on the payroll. You can live out here. Doesn't matter. Yes, right now, you're gonna make more money than what you're making in America right now. Yes, me I say? Just by loading them vehicle. Yes, me I say? Alright, Lando, load it, Ivan.
If you go front, take something with you. Oh, true.
Yeah. He's not a personal loader. Hold on, where's that one I got, Jason?
Amount of people are booking right now.
Who?
Content.
He's like what? Or like who?
He's like Bob Marley right now.
Yeah.
For sure.
You think so?
Believe no one.
Believe no one. Alright.
No, sir.
You see it.
No capping. No capping.
You know hear that? Vibes Cartel right now is the Jamaican Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
Bob Marley in his own time.
Goat and the farm and the rest of goat.
You see it? He's not a farmer. He's the animal, the goat. You see me I say? Alright. Yeah, man. Right now, guys, we are leave out of the Montego Bay parking lot. Galtigo Bay. We're not the only man, so Galtigo Bay.
JC Villa.
We are going to JC Villas right now. You see it? He's about to give us a tour, you know, and let us know what's going on. You see me I say? And if you want a discount, a great price, contact me first and let me give you the code. You see me I say? And if you contact him, just let him know, hey, Keegan's Kitchen sent to know. You see it? That is it. We are at JC's Villa.
Okay. Remote.
Where we at? Mobay or Montego Bay? Galtigo Bay. Galtigo Bay. Yeah, man.
Roops.
This is the exterior view of this palace right here. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
Only when I say that, we got somebody talking.
Yeah, man. It's beautiful already, guys. Amazing. You have the palm tree outside. You drive up into your own private villa entrance. You don't need better than this. And you have your own personal pickup driver at the airport.
Get a car with it? Oh,
Hey, yes,
shit.
you get a car with it too. The car don't come. The car don't come with the villa. That's like a upsell or whatever you call it. But it's available.
You have
You need a car.
If you need a car, it's
you have
available.
options.
If you need curry goat, we have it. Rice and peas, we have it. We have it all. Oxtail. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's beautiful, man. This is the gateway entrance right here. See him there? Primetime Lando. Big up yourself.
Out here with
We outside.
My favorite spot,
Yeah.
right here. When you walk up,
Yeah.
straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
You got the bar.
Personal bar.
Oh Lord.
And you have the pool table.
Pool table.
We're going to give you all a close-up look of what it is in a minute. And this is our rental right here. This is our rental. Yeah, man. And it can fit up to at least 6 large size suitcase, you know? So, yeah, man. Everything is like. Let me show you guys. So that's the trunk space right there. It's packed to the brim. It's ready. This is it, guys. JC's Villa. Yeah, man. 778 Aquamarine Avenue, Mogue Village, Montego Bay. Yes, guys. So this is like the veranda area, but they turned it into a nice little, we call it, like a sports bar type of thing. So here you have your liquor. You have all that good stuff. You have your Jamaican liquor, red stripe, rum cream, Rare Navy, red stripe. All of them something there. Then lock up there, So don't think you can just come and up neat up. You have to talk to the boss. Yeah, man.
I got the key.
But I'm pretty sure once y'all communicate ahead of time, he'll give you all the info. I can't give it to you over the camera. All right?
My favorite right here.
Pool table.
Yeah. Come on.
Oh, I'm showing the other one.
Favorite right here.
See the big boss there.
We go way back.
JB.
We're friends.
And this is Red Code, the biggest, baddest DJ about the place. He traveled too, So if y'all need a DJ to travel to your birthday party, in Jamaica or in the United States,
Wherever.
he'll come to your Airbnb
Wherever.
and hook y'all up. Give y'all the experience of a lifetime. Yeah, man.
Got JB over there too. No one.
And this is a man that's a primetime Lando. Oh, no, him already, He's a regular.
Regular.
The trucking guru. Rups. You see it?
Yeah, man. Yes.
Yeah, man.
What?
Oh, wind it up?
No, it's hook.
The hook. Oh, so it's like a screen. Oh, yeah.
To take with a breeze.
You must have wind it up.
May they feel breeze.
But feel the breeze, man.
Let me say not cool. That's what I thought.
Cool and nice, man.
You drug what I'm talking about?
Yeah? Hey, about 5 drink I would drink, Let me keep on there.
Right now they're talking about cool.
About cool.
Listen to me though.
So unhook it?
Oh, unhook it.
Sir.
I know where I gotta do after that.
That's a wine.
Come on.
Drug what I'm talking about?
Wine it? What can that? Why for that?
Why for that?
I said pause.
Yeah, so why that's the part. That's right. Yes, man, I'm gonna give one back away. Come and listen to overseas liquor in there.
We don't want no overseas liquor, Jamaica with Local liquor we are dealing with.
It's for the tourists.
For the tourists.
Tourists, bro.
Yeah.
Wait it.
Ain't gone somewhere in the scene.
Keep them to go Peru already.
Me don't know.
Look at my car now.
We ain't gone.
Oh, guys, and look, let me show you the price. But obviously,
Oh, that's a price list, right?
this is the menu price list. But obviously, this been changed over time because, with the whole economy and everything, price fluctuate. Cost and demand, supply and demand, all that good stuff. So, right, that's an Argentina flag, So,
Messy.
Messi, and as you can see, hold on, let me show you what I go on. Look here. Inter Miami, Messi. I can't show you in the back right now, but I don't see Messi. Yeah, but why? They say why for that, but we welcome all of the tourists them to come to Jamaica, come to JC's Villa, and support the local, economy, support the local Airbnb, thing what we have going on. Yeah, man. But hey, and like Dwayne said, the breeze cool and nice. It's nice. Listen, you're not gonna get this experience anywhere else, You're gonna get a huge mansion by yourself. Galshan, they say in Jamaica. In Montego Bay, you get a galshan. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Go upstairs.
Yeah. We want to go upstairs and see the whole villa, man. So, like, how did you come up with this idea about starting your own Airbnb? Because this is
from I was a younger age. My dad in construction, so
Yeah.
something I always.
so it's in your blood from day one.
Yes, so I always draw and plan in my head.
Yeah.
I always look at people's house and just change it up in my head.
So,
So something that I love.
architect.
Yes.
So you're natural talent.
Natural.
Without doing well, you did
So
some.
this plan, I draw this plan here.
Yeah.
This plan take me 2 weeks to draw.
Yeah.
I get my tape and my stone and my red paint and
Yeah.
draw around the place, and when the builder come in, I tell him what to do.
Yeah.
So you got to listen to the professor.
Yeah,
It's
so-
gonna work for me.
So did you have any like a type of background? Like no, like construction background. You did any construction?
Yes, I do a little construction.
All right, that's
But I do
good.
most of the thinking, so I always have the plan in mind.
Yeah,
Wanna do
natural.
my own thing, yeah. So I get like about 6 pages of book leaf and
Oh,
this
man.
place.
Shit.
Measure it
That
out,
is so
use
smashing.
my tape. Even this garage right here,
Yeah.
this is the only thing messed up on the house. It should be a 2-car garage.
But
And the guy bring it in 2 feet.
Yeah.
So 2-car hole in there, but you can't get out. You have to come out through the chunk.
yeah, the doors can't
I never
open.
knew till it finished. So after all of that,
Yeah.
I realized, and he tell me how furniture gonna go around there.
Yeah.
So when I'm taking it apart and put it together in the room, the building can't move.
Oh man,
But it is what it is, man. It's all gravy.
Yeah.
Everything going good.
oxtail gravy.
Custom made pool table, professional stick.
What?
Built it in Miami.
Oh,
Have
man.
the builder flight in.
Yeah.
Give him 2 nights at JC Villa and everything assembled for free.
Yeah, that is it.
No joke.
It looks, it's looking, everything's looking beautiful so far, man.
Alright, so now we're
You know.
going
No
in.
Betty milk.
Life sweet,
Like straight.
not doing it. Yeah, man. That is it. That is it.
For sure.
So he's about to give us a tour.
Hanging out. So at every villa, I have a little rest area where I lay back.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 6 locations in Jamaica, 6
6?
for sure.
What?
About 4 Airbnb.
Yeah.
So you're walking into my little living area, 75-inch, no joke.
No joke.
No joke.
Not an inch less.
Kitchen all marble, no joke.
Oh man.
Yeah,
All right, so the lights are on.
yes.
We got 50 Cent, G
You
Unit.
know, man.
Hey, get rich or
Don't
die
forget Bob
trying.
Marley,
Oh, the boss.
the boss.
You gotta have Bob Marley.
Bob Marley.
And this is your champagne cool fridge right here. Get a champagne cool in here.
So, like, when a person, right, a client, potential client, try to book your villa,
Yeah.
what comes with it besides, the host? Do they get like,
Yeah, then if you book for 1 week, you get a load wash free.
Yeah.
A wash and dry around there.
yeah,
So you get that wash free and you open to the pool table.
yeah, okay,
And there's a jacuzzi on the 3rd floor.
yeah.
You understand? So
Yeah.
all of that. You get good treatment. And there's a bar also.
Is it all inclusive or they have to pay?
No, they have to pay.
They have to pay. Okay, makes sense, makes sense, makes sense, makes sense, makes
But you
sense.
get all inclusive if you pay in line. You can
Depending on how they,
Yes.
and they have to communicate with you.
Depends on the check-in.
Yeah,
For sure.
as long as they communicate on the package and everything. Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay, okay.
yes.
Nice, nice, nice.
So,
Yeah, man.
hold on now. This, my area locked down there, so there's. Alright, so
Mm-hmm.
sure, that's not-
Where is it? Back up and put up myself.
Ah,
They want it back in.
You're talking to the mixologist, bro.
wow.
So,
I'm a licensed mixologist.
this is another room. This is where I rest, you know what I mean? King size for the king.
King size for the king.
For sure. Professor.
Ah,
Okay, this
Yeah,
is
this
his side.
ain't all
this is his
stuff.
side.
This is not the rental.
This is not the rental side.
His side.
His side.
As I was saying earlier,
Yeah.
16-inch TV, no joke. You already know.
All right.
The garage did messed up, as I said. The guy
Yeah.
make it too small, so now I just create a bathroom.
What?
Can come on in. Yeah, for sure.
Oh, walk-in shower?
I already know. Man.
Yo. Yeah, guys. So, like I said, this is his personal space. I don't think this one is for rented, but you have to contact him and
What's the money?
You know?
Money.
once the money is right and
Yes.
y'all communicate. Communication is key.
Yes.
You know?
Yes. You can book online, you can call me straight and book.
Yeah. So once y'all communicate, guys, everything is gravy, oxtail gravy. Yeah, man. Not chicken back.
Betty milk.
No.
Whoops.
See it? This is apartment.
This is it.
Right here, just this side. See everything separate.
And guys, listen,
So hold up. Let me ask you a
we're
question.
still downstairs.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
I want to ask this question on camera.
Yeah.
So if somebody want to rent the whole apartment,
Just
room,
this.
living room, kitchen,
The whole house.
no, like
Downstairs,
is
okay.
Is this available for a price?
Yes, it's available for a price, and most of it is like this. Most of it come like this, so I
Yeah.
can walk you through. So
Okay.
if I got my guest, this is my guest area around here.
Go on.
Guest
Go on, Lando.
restroom right here. It's a guest restroom, guest bedroom.
Yeah.
This
You
don't
know,
have
yeah,
nothing
man.
to do with the villa.
Yeah.
You feel me?
So that's the bathroom.
Yes.
All right. all white.
Yes, for sure, for sure, for sure.
Yo, this is Jamaica, guys. This is Jamaica. Everything is pristine, clean too. Clean. Clean. This is another guest bedroom right here. And you know, in Jamaica and other Caribbean island, we have to have the actual grill, the security grill, because
This is ADT.
This is
what you
ADT,
call it,
guardsman.
guardsman, all of that.
Yeah, at Jamaica with it, guys. If you know Jamaica, you know how it is already. You have to have the grills for protection. All right. Yeah, safety is key.
What about this part, with all the rest of it?
Yeah.
So I put in all these marble work here and stuff.
Wow.
Yeah. This is just a painting I go somewhere and see. I don't know who this lady is, but she look pretty cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if it's Mary or my sister or who she is,
Hey,
but
your sister.
I like her.
Hey, your sister, man.
Yeah, so I put that up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice artwork.
You Google a picture and you know how valuable that
So we're gonna move up to the top.
All right. All right, guys. So we're gonna move on up to the top.
Like our millions.
You know,
Google it one at a time, man.
For sure.
the place is cool, man.
Yeah.
Cool, guys. Look. Like I said, this is like a veranda type of thing, but he set it up like a little sports bar, outdoor area as well.
Look good.
Look good.
And you got the TV out here on YouTube. Watch whatever you want to watch. You feel me?
Yeah.
I'm foreign.
So Wi-Fi is connected.
Everything.
So okay, so you get your Wi-Fi. It's like you're in America, but you're in Jamaica, which is way better. You know?
And this on the garage back here and part of my washroom.
One. Oh. Mm-hmm.
This for rent too, you know.
So this CRV is for rent.
Maybe I say I want it.
Yeah.
This back over.
Oh.
Yeah, room for rent.
What?
Yeah, man.
Yep.
This 20,000 a day, 30,000 deposit. So this is my washroom right here,
Yeah.
and the guest washroom is back there. This is where I get my clothes. You know what I mean?
Wow.
You have your grill.
Oh, so that's the actual grill. Okay. Charcoal
Actual
or
grill.
propane?
It
Yes.
goes propane and charcoal.
Okay, propane and charcoal. All right, gas and charcoal,
Alright,
guys.
we're gonna go this way first.
All right.
This is very big.
All right. So I'm already tired. This is how big the place is, guys. This is ridiculous. Trust me. Right now, listen.
If they have any kids, the Range Rover is there too.
I'm already breaking a sweat. Look at the Range Rover, guys. This is for your toddler, 5-year-old, 4-year-old. All right, so now we're going upstairs.
Come with the room upstairs.
They come with the room upstairs, you know? Yeah, so we're going upstairs now. Right, so this is an exclusive tour of JC's Bogue Village, Montego Bay Villa. Yeah, we're upstairs now. And look at this beautiful view. You get to see all your neighbor in the city of Montego Bay, Bogue Village. Yeah, man.
Don't forget to let them know the movie
This
theaters
is
out
we
here.
got dining here again.
Ooh, this is beautiful. So this is like a little kitchen area.
Yes.
Wow.
Get the fridge,
Me like
stove,
upstairs.
microwave and stuff.
Upstairs, nice.
So this location have 5 kitchen.
Yeah. 5?
Yes, sir.
What?
Kitchen?
So
That's a lot.
We just had the second
Me
kitchen.
can't tell I love your food, you know.
Are you already?
All right. Up here cool though.
Another bedroom
Private kitchen upstairs.
Me know about 5 kitchen you have.
and this location.
Ooh. Up here nice.
Yeah.
I like
Without
it.
AC, you know that's a big problem we have in Jamaica. A lot of these spots don't have AC.
It's like a little patio area right there. So go on out there. Oh, they're cool and nice already. Yeah, man. You don't need no AC right there so right now. Based on how the temperature is. And guys, this video is being recorded during the spring break. You know, summertime coming up close. So it's pretty hot, but outside is pretty cool. This is the bathroom area. See there? Walk-in shower. And look at the architectural work with the lighting and everything. The lighting fixture upstairs. Marble wall. You know? It's like glass or marble. I'm not sure exactly what this is, you know, but it's pretty. And guys, if y'all didn't know, I created this one myself right here. Yeah.
what I create convenient. You don't have to be a lot of space.
Yeah.
You get your own restroom, living, dining area and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You already know this is a patio.
So realistically, right?
Yeah.
Like for people that want to know, how far is your villa away from the airport? Because for me, it's close.
Alright, according to traffic,
Yeah.
and a busy traffic day can take up to 20, 30 minutes. You already know we're
Yeah.
not limited traffic. But on a regular day,
Yeah.
it's like 10, 15 minutes.
Oh, that's a win-win right there. That's a win.
What I did notice, I saw KFC. I think it was a movie theater.
Yes,
Yep.
there's a movie.
Pizza Hut,
Yeah.
Wendy's. This is the spot.
Yeah.
Jerky's,
Taboo.
Right here.
on the beach.
Taboo,
This is about to be-
27.
Don't forget the beach.
27,
The beach, exactly.
27.
The beach
Don't forget
right
the beach.
Yeah.
What's that? Is that
Margaritaville.
Yeah.
Margaritaville right there.
Yep. Everything's
Margaritaville
here.
like 7 minutes away.
Yep.
27. Taboo was like 2 minutes away.
Prime time location, guys.
Yeah, I
Prime
don't know,
location.
Oh, look at guys. Look at. Only have mango pan tree here.
Touch your neighbor.
Don't touch the neighbor mangoes, you know? Yeah, man. Problem?
Next side of it.
Next side, okay. All right.
Four?
But you need that map for that place, yeah.
A big one, yeah, a big one. Let me tell you. So,
You know where if you do, you know where you can do put a theme. Each room have a theme.
yep, like Disney.
Oh, no, set you up in a
It's like how Disney do it. I say I have to do it.
Sorry.
Yeah, man. Look at you already.
What's that side number one?
You know exactly which side to go.
Yeah, do it by theme, like red room, green room, or you know,
Yep,
Bob Marley room.
yep. Just like Jamaica, you get the thing.
No, we're on the other side.
Get your room.
No, we're on the west side.
Oh, we gotta go up top to on the other side.
West side.
We're on the west side of the villa.
So we're gonna go up this
We're not go up there yet. No.
Right here, you have a washing machine drying here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And there's an outside restroom here also.
What?
country style.
Country style.
And the washing machine in here.
So,
Country style.
if you want to experience the
If you're
Jamaican,
from the deep
culture?
country.
the deep country, this is the Jamaican bathroom phone, is it?
Yes. And in here you get your map, your iron board and stuff like that.
Jamaican bathroom style, outdoor style. You know, but he kept it clean same way. You know,
And then
modern.
washer and dryer right here for guests. Alright.
Alright.
Alright, so now we're going into another room. This is the fourth kitchen, guys.
Last, already.
Fourth kitchen.
Last kitchen.
Fourth
Yeah.
kitchen right
Man,
here.
this about to be your own video. I'm about to just
Yep.
do this separate.
No, I feel him this.
No, what I'm saying, I was gonna do day one, but this gonna be
No,
just
this is
JC.
for him, yeah.
Yeah.
Kitchen number 4. Yo, guys, no joke. This house is huge.
This room connect to that room. This is a 2-bedroom area.
Yeah.
And this couch have a queen bed in it. Just take it up, pull it out.
Oh, this
Yeah.
is a
So
2-bedroom.
this area fits 6 person.
Oh, nice.
So the queen bed back there and this also.
They pull out?
In here, yeah.
Okay, so this is a pull-out bed.
And around here now you have another room and restroom.
Locked down.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's nice. Yeah, man, a fridge, you know. When you get to know the fridge, you know, kitchen, everything, guys, everything comes with this villa. And once again,
Another room.
Twin
and if
bed.
you notice, guy, every room have a different time, different look of bathroom, everything different
Yes.
about every room.
look at this. This is not your regular twin bed. The man not just put up no little regular bed phone.
Match the
Look
time.
at this.
Go with the time.
Leather, snake skin, crocodile skin from upper
Outside.
what you call it?
Outside.
One of them place there.
Yes.
Yes.
And see
some
outside
fresh air.
sink back here.
That's it. See? Outside sink again. Well, it's the same one,
All the
but
room was over
from
there,
that
guys.
side you could
Yeah.
see the same view, guys.
Room 3 right
You know?
over there.
Yeah, man.
For sure, for sure.
For sure.
There's a lot of y'all can connect to all the room you have
Yeah, they all
access to
can
them.
connect. Yeah,
Yeah,
for
man. So then can
As long as you have the key.
put them thing together, them money together, and team
Not
up.
even that, they can all the rooms can connect.
This is the bathroom again, another bathroom, guys. Beautiful. The light. Oh, so this is another. This one is like a little lava type. I don't know the design of it, but it's pretty. Look up here now. Yo, look on the light fixture, the lighting fixture. What's it? May I tell you no? Check out JC's villa, man. You're not gonna get this at Margaritaville, Sandals, or anywhere else. You know, if you want a more authentic, homey feel, come to JC's villa, and he'll definitely make y'all feel welcome, get the Jamaican experience, and he'll tell you about the local spots to go to as well. Like, you know, what the local spot down there, name? What the little marijuana shop there?
Oh, by 27?
Yeah, 27. You know,
27.
27.
Yeah.
And we're telling them about the hot dancehall spots them that's going on in Jamaica, in Montego Bay, where
The Forest Club is like 5 minutes away.
5 minutes away. So if you're into nightlife, guys, 5 minutes away drive, 5-10 minutes max.
Listen.
You'll be there.
There's too much fucking room, man.
Enough room there, man.
Yeah, we still have 2 more rooms. Alright, so it's right here.
Yeah,
If you're over there, you can move here, remove all of this and connect.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, for that.
Oh,
Everything connected in
The
the
whole thing can connect from inside. So you
oh,
don't-
yeah, that's okay.
Make it an abstract, but like that.
Yeah, there's a lot of abstract. As you can see over here, so meet the thing different.
Yeah.
Already set up like
Different, yeah.
that. Already designed. Yeah, man. That's good. You see all this and something in the village out there. Make it work.
What are you doing, guys?
Doing?
Time, let's our road, yeah. We ain't busy. Where we going, up top?
Yeah, up top.
Up top. Man, I know what you're doing, the guy, you know. Ain't probably, oh, see what this? What's doing there? Doing up top long time.
Yeah, boss, yeah, need him.
So now we're going
Go on.
upstairs.
Yeah, up top. Yeah, man.
This is what you call.
Go another room.
And the staircase, guys, is not slippery. Here you can see the grit. This is steel built, metal. Yeah, man.
Yeah, this make more sense.
Yeah, so there's a grip. Yeah, because if you're worried about safety and fall and slippery when it's wet, this right here is good. There's a traction type of control on the actual staircase on the floor.
Good, it's slip resistant.
Yeah, slip resistance. Yeah, yeah.
So there's another
Room number 5.
It's the rum, bro. It's the rum.
That's the
Room
room.
number 5.
Room number 5.
Another full
I'm
kitchen.
a room is where I'm tired.
No, yeah, number 6.
Ah,
This number 6?
Yeah.
look at this.
Me like-
Look at the
me like-
color.
Oh, I didn't even see this. You got to
Yo.
do a close up on this.
Yeah, the color is.
Look at this, guys. You can see the design and everything.
Walking our room.
Every room is designed
Yeah,
different.
this is the room I went upstairs first. Again.
I'll make it into two.
Yeah.
They come with your fire extinguisher and safety first.
Alright.
Now the bottom of the place.
You know something I notice each room you walk in have a different feel.
Feeling, yeah.
Have a different vibes to it.
It's similar, but it's different.
Similar, but
Different, yeah, different.
This, if you book through me, it's 10,000 a night
Yeah,
per 2 person per room. The room downstairs,
yeah,
that's more money.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean that's 160. The room I can fit 6 people.
yeah.
Down-
Okay.
In the US, you understand?
Yeah.
So that's what I said 25. Downstairs one I fit 6 person.
Yeah.
So book through Airbnb is unlimited price. Start from 13,000 up.
Yeah.
Down to the season. Yeah,
Oh,
I mean,
nice,
It's
nice.
cheaper to book through you.
Yes. for
Okay,
sure.
that's what's
You
up.
know we're from the hood and we always try to look
Cool.
out. You know what I mean?
JC Lodging, go direct
Ah,
to the source.
JC's Villa.
This custom too.
Oh, this is custom. Okay.
Yeah, custom.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a JC Lodging.
Wow, this is beautiful, guys. If you're into artwork, art fixture,
Like on the roof.
come check him out.
Get the high roof, give you that coolness.
Alright, you know what I'm gonna do now? Me make him bring it up now. 4 black high taller.
Yeah.
Before I add the roof.
Look at the ceiling. Wow.
Yeah. Because it's later on we'll take off this roof and deck it.
Yeah.
And then build on top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take a way up, so.
You know what I'm going.
Yeah man, we enjoy the whole plan already.
Shit.
You're way ahead of everybody, you know. You like that.
We are there time.
Improvise.
20 years ahead of the world
Improvise.
of America.
Yeah, man.
Yes, for sure.
But like I said, guys,
Now look at the tiles, guys.
Oh.
These tiles are.
look at the tile.
Oh,
Notice every room have a different setting of
Different.
tiles,
Yeah.
different countertops,
Yeah.
Yeah.
furniture,
Yeah.
the whole setting is kind of
Yeah.
different. So
Yeah. You know,
depending on what
a lot
you
of
like,
times-
you know.
Yeah.
A lot of times I pack my bag and go on vacation in my house, man.
That's it. That's the way to go.
In a different kitchen.
That's the way to go. That's the way to go,
For sure,
man.
Different look.
Sure,
Different look.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
Shit.
Yes, God, you know, 'cause every room is going out. Look.
Wow.
All right, one day over here, right? The real come up the idea with this right here.
Look at them Crocs.
Tom, bro.
Crocodile.
Who's your top, y'all?
Yo,
Don't mess around with security stay.
Security.
Yeah,
Live
man.
security.
he's everywhere. He's everywhere though.
Joe.
Security. He's the
everywhere
unpack the
before
bad
we
guy.
get there.
The bad guy. The man at the moment.
Jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi, TV.
If you're into that type of life, this is it right here.
Jacuzzi, hot
We
tub,
got a TV, we got a hot tub, we got everything.
everything.
You have
Yeah.
another room up here also, you know.
What's that?
Oh, for real?
Room number 6.
Wow.
Oh shit.
Oh, this is number 7.
Well, 7.
7. Oh, this is 7. Yeah, I'm wrong.
This is the room I
So
want.
how many bedrooms you have?
7.
7.
Yeah.
7 bedrooms.
So this
Yo.
is going here too. Check it out.
This is not what I share so by myself.
Taking advantage of every little inch you have.
By myself.
Right here.
Yo, the room nice.
This will be my room.
Up
with
here's
a hot tub and everything.
exactly.
Right? Yeah.
So, if I wanted to book this room by itself, how much would it be?
This room by itself, then not much, man. It's 8,000 Jamaican.
That's it?
With the hot
Yeah.
tub.
And the hot tub, what if I want to use hot tub?
The hot tub is open for everyone.
Everybody, okay, yeah, okay.
Although the hot tub work now, if you're gonna use the hot tub, you gotta report to management once I have a lot of guests.
Yeah.
So you have 2 hours to the hot tub.
Yeah.
So leave space here.
Okay, yeah, makes sense.
You already know. So if current went out, I already have a plan connect to the house and just chipped in.
Yeah.
Power.
Yeah, water went out. I already have,
water.
You have
I
water.
already have a pump chipped
Well
in
thought out.
myself.
So you have backup system in place.
Everything already locked, man. You already know.
Y'all hear that, guy?
Life is good, man.
Life is great.
Can't complain.
No Betty
nice
milk.
view of the mountain.
Look at that. Nice view.
Yeah.
Coconut trees in the background.
That's,